Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 3 stocks that all of you should keep on your watch list for today. I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions like we always do here on this channel. Now, before we begin, again, do not forget to annihilate the like button on your way in. And also, don't forget to click on that subscribe button and also on that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on these videos, right? So let's begin right off the bat. We got the SPY. The futures market is open. It's not too far off from where it was yesterday. Not too far off. And right now it looks like it's trying to make a fight and to just break above that previous level of support, which is acting quite strongly. All right. So could there be a little bit of a dip in the open? The market is about to open at like in 23 minutes. Could there be a little bit of a drop all the way down to 43.75 before we see a massive push all the way up towards 4,500? I think that may occur. I think it's gonna play out like that. I wouldn't be surprised at least if we just drop here and then we make a massive move towards the close. We just get right above that level and we just keep going. I'm not too bearish on the market. The daily chart is actually looking decent. I'm not gonna lie. The daily chart is looking decent. So this week may not be a bad week. Now, how long is this bounce going to last? I'm not sure. But I just think that today and maybe even tomorrow may show some signs of life, may show some sign of a rebound. Alright. Now, if it rolls over later, then we will address it. But this video is for today, so just keep that in mind for today at least. All right. Now, the first stock that y'all should keep on your watch list for today, that stock is Snapchat. All right. And the reason why I want y'all to keep Snapchat in your watch list is because again, this one is actually good for both short and long-term investors. All right. It dropped all the way from like $83 all the way down to 30. And also, if you look on the left hand side, that gap got filled right here. The gap right here got filled. So my worries to the downside are not present, are not there too much. All right. The only thing that is worrisome is earnings, which is coming up on the 3rd. I think this might be on Friday at the after hours or Thursday after hours. Yeah, Thursday after hours, I think. So it's definitely something worth watching. It's opening up slightly higher today because the queues are up a little bit. So definitely watch this one for a turnaround. I see here on the left hand side up here that somebody lowered their price target on Snapchat from 71 to 51. 51 is still high. Again, this is just that is also somebody else is just giving their very honest opinion on the stock. Again, just like I'm giving my thoughts on these stocks. On the daily chart, it looks like it wants to turn around. It does. There isn't really a very clean structure apart from this stock is just on a massive discount. And somebody may argue that this is a morning star, but it's just not clean enough. Like this is not thin enough, and this bar is not high enough. But it may not matter. I think it could go. I think it has room. So definitely watch this one for a move before earnings at least to like $34 before earnings decide its fate. All right, that's the first one. Now the next one that we're gonna talk about in today's video, that stock is HD. And the reason why I want you to keep HD on your watch list is because of this bullish engulfing candle, which happened 5 days ago, well, last week on Monday, right? And then we had a continuation followed by this massive bullish hammer right here. There is a gap right there on the left hand side at 385. And also if you zoom in into the 1 hour, you can see that there is a bullish rectangle on the chart. that is literally like on the verge of just running. It's right there on the charts. If this thing behaves very clean as it looks, it should run to 380. It should run to 380. If not today, then maybe by like Tuesday morning. So definitely watch this one for a potential long. Right now, the last stock that y'all should keep on your watch list for today, that stock is MRNA. All right, now with MRNA, this one is also like right on the edge. They tried to make a move. They tried to just make a big move pre-markets, but right now it's just like it's struggling a little bit. Watch this one still. If it gets above 162, it may run. If it gets above 162, it may definitely run. So, let's see here on the daily charts. Yeah, definitely beaten down for a while. It has been, and there is a gap at 200. Yeah, this is something to definitely keep on your watch list for sure. If it doesn't move today, then again watch it for the next day and the next day after that. All right, that's my honest thoughts on that stock. Now let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest. First one that we're going to address, that stock is ALLY. Ally. Somebody asked me to break this down, and I did talk about this one way back when it was in these regions. It was a very steady stock, a nice uptrend, and then starting in May, the trend just broke and it just kept consolidating sideways. And in this region right here, not a lot of people win. Like the shorts don't win, the longs don't win, the volatility sucks, the growth is not there. It's just chilling sideways, and I don't trade these things. I don't like stocks that trade sideways like that. The opportunity are just scarce on this one. So just be selective. Be selective. I think it's just gonna keep going sideways, probably for the next 3 months. Like, to be honest, I don't think it's going to go anywhere. Like, it had earnings and it didn't do anything at all. It stayed at the same exact price. So more consolidation for this one before potentially moving higher after like June. That's my thoughts on it. Maybe you may disagree. If you disagree, leave it in the comments. But that's my honest opinion on the stock. The last one that we're going to talk about in today's video, we're gonna talk about Baba. And Baba is actually rebounding right now. It's rebounding off of this previous low at 113. It's about to open higher at 117, and I think, yeah, this thing is done. Like, short sellers should have taken their money off. And also intraday, it formed a bullish triangle that broke out, and now it's at 117. So I'm not bearish on Baba. Expect to move all the way up to like 121 before it actually drops back down again. I think it's going to go to 121, maybe today even. You never know. Yeah, watch this one for sure. All right, and that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to annihilate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, it helps the channel a lot. It allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are new to the channel and you haven't done so already, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on these pre-market analysis videos, which are released from Monday to Friday at exactly 8:20 a.m. Central Time. This one may be released at like 8:30. Right? And the post-market analysis videos, which are released every single day in the afternoon. If you'd like to be part of a private Discord community, you can find it as the first link in the description of the video below. If you are not following us on social media, you can find me at NGumah and at PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram and on Twitter. Alright? And lastly, if all of this is brand new to you, if you're interested in getting started in the stock market, I'll leave some very basic step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to get all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850 right after signing up with Webull using the third link in the description of the video below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul NGumah for Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video.